This is the Tesla Model Y 2025, a blend of innovation, luxury, and performance. Let's explore every detail of this beauty. Alright, let's kick it off with a little history lesson. Tesla first launched the Model Y back in 2020 as a compact electric SUV, aiming to dominate the EV market. Fast forward to 2025, and this latest iteration has evolved into something spectacular. More refined, more powerful, and packed with cutting-edge features. It's a true testament to how far Tesla has come in redefining the modern vehicle. Now, let's talk about that front design. Because wow! The 2025 Model Y features an ultra-sleek, aerodynamic nose that feels futuristic and bold. The headlights? Pure LED brilliance with a sharper, more aggressive edge compared to older models. It's all about clean lines and minimalism, which gives it that signature Tesla vibe. Oh, and the front trunk, or frunk, has gotten even roomier. Perfect for those weekend getaways. Moving on to the side profile, it's where the elegance really shines. The Model Y 2025 has these beautiful flowing curves, with a slightly lower stance than before, giving it a sporty look. The flush door handles are still here, maintaining that seamless appearance. And those wheels? Massive 20-inch alloys that scream luxury and performance. Tesla's done a brilliant job of blending practicality with style. This SUV doesn't just look good, it's designed to perform. Now the rear. Let's just say it's a showstopper. From the redesigned LED tail lights to the smooth, wide bumper, the back of this car is all about confidence. That subtle rear spoiler adds a sporty touch while improving aerodynamics. And in this burgundy color, it's just chef's kiss. You can't help but stop and stare. Oh, and Tesla's famous power liftgate makes loading your trunk feel next-level futuristic. So there you have it, the 2025 Tesla Model Y, a masterpiece of design and engineering. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Auto Universe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars. See you in the next one. Asterisk.